In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in CapCut PC. If you need to highlight a specific button, point out a tiny detail, or guide your viewer's attention to the exact place they should be looking. Adding an arrow is one of the simplest and most effective things you can do. The good news is that CapCut on PC already includes a large library of ready-made arrow graphics, including both static and animated styles, so you don't need to create anything from scratch. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores a wide range of graphic elements that you can place over your video. Once the sticker library opens, look over to the category list on the left-hand side. Scroll down through that sidebar until you find the section labeled Arrows, then click it to open the arrow collection. At this point, you'll see a grid of different pointer designs. Take a moment to browse through the available options and choose the one that best fits your project. For example, you might prefer something bright and bold like a neon arrow, or you may want a cleaner hand-drawn style if you're going for a softer look. When you find the arrow you want to use, click the blue plus icon on that graphic. CapCut will immediately add it to your project as a sticker element, and you'll see a yellow sticker block appear on the timeline above your screen recording or main video track. Now it's time to place the arrow exactly where you want it. Click once on the yellow arrow block in the timeline so it becomes active. Then move your cursor up to the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see the arrow selected with a bounding box around it. To aim it properly, click and drag the small circular rotate handle attached to the box. Turn the arrow until it points directly at the item you want to highlight. After the direction looks correct, click inside the arrow graphic itself and drag it into position. Place it right next to the exact detail you want to emphasize, whether that's a spreadsheet cell, a formula field, a button, or any other on-screen element. Try to position it clearly without covering important information, and that's it. You've opened the sticker panel, selected an arrow from the built-in library, added it to the timeline, and adjusted it directly on the canvas. With just a few quick moves, your viewer now knows exactly where to look.